see the chat. This is how you continue.